So today we got a little bit of time left.
We have one fucking month. It is a very little amount of time.
But we got the car painted, you know, and we've done a few things, but we got it running. That's the main part is that it drives down the road. So it'll do at least one lap around the track when we get there. And now we got a bunch of little stuff.
It's not like we can work on this every day. We're lucky to get everybody together on a random weekend. So honestly, I'm thinking 2 solid group sessions, and then in April at the track, finishing and scrounging up to pass tech, which is what we do every time. Yeah. But we've got to replace plugs. We've got to change out the water. We've got to do the oil change stuff. Your typical like before race weekend. The dashboard is not in or connected or finished yet. We've got fender flares to put up. What else is there? Our fire bottle expired, so we've rushed that out. Hopefully that gets shipped to us in time, or there'll be no race, or somebody will have to sit in the back with a fire extinguisher just in case something bad happens.
Perfect.
I'll leave all this tape on so I can transfer these measurements to the other side.
Most of the people on this team pay $50 a month. I pay Tim $100 a month just to
Hey, I'm gonna hold you to that. I'll show up every weekend. Fender flares done.
So what I'm doing right now is just basically building a cardboard template. So what this will do, this will sit on the dash. It'll be angled a little bit so it's coming towards us. And then down here is going to be a fuse block, and that'll fit on the other side of the transmission. So that's the gist of it. There'll be another panel right here. So this one's going to have our ignition kill switch, adapters. Down here will be like trans temp gauge, a couple things. And then down here will be the less important stuff, or not race specific. So I've got some blue toggles, and that'll be like our cool suit once we get that going. And like lights or whatever. It'll just be like auxiliary stuff.
Very good. Well, that's the thing for what it is. It's like.
While Jason works on the wiring for the fan and the cool shirt box, we're gonna change the sensor out. We got a code on the reader the other day saying this could possibly be one of our issues with the stumbling on acceleration. So we're going to see what happens and see if this fixes our problem.
And let me tell you, I am not a mechanic. This is something that I can change out, and I'm so proud to show you. This is I ordered it because it told me to, and it came in, and it's a plug and a couple screws, and I'm gonna pretend I'm a mechanic today, and roll the sleeves up, quit my day job.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Size there, I need a 1/4 inch. You got a 1/4?
I don't know what that means.
I mean smaller than this one.
How about 3/8?
That's bigger than this one.
932.
Nope, Keep
1132.
1 4.
I don't have any of those.
Oh, flathead then. Give me a flathead.
I can give you a flathead, sir.
Flattery.
5/16. Why don't I have it?
You have the 5. We don't have the
we
4.
definitely have it.
Well, we have it. If you take the
Yeah.
bit out the tool, it's a 1/4 inch.
I've got- I've got every tool ever on Black Friday.
Got a hammer?
I do always have a hammer.
No, you don't.
It's this right here.
We used the freaking hinge, door hinge tool one time for a hammer. Got him.
All right.
She sounds like she's got some shit in her.
She's seen some better days. Every car has a mass airflow sensor of some sort, and it does things that I don't know about. Like some magical vortices come in and out. It measures something, right?
Yeah, it measures your flow of your air coming in. If it's not a mass airflow, then you have a speed density sensor, which is a little different.
A little different, but the same.
It's one of the two. Every car.
What does it actually do?
It measures how much air is coming in, so it can mix the fuel correctly.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Like it? That's pretty good.
So that's it.
Good. I hope so.
One little.
Well, maybe not. We'll see.
All right. All right. So, do you think that's actually gonna fix our issue?
Fuck no.
Fuck.